Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to copy data from one company to another in just one click. Here and I creating two company. One is J agency and another one is PGS company. Now I am copy invoices from J agency to PGS company. I am already open purchase voucher and I am creating invoices. Put amount, CGST or SGST, then enter. Let's check this voucher. You can see this. Now I'm click all plus F3. Then another company. This is another company. Remember it. What is created in that company should be the same in this company. You can see this purchase voucher. So today we learned how to copy data from one company to another company in tallyprime. Do subscribe to my channel tallytaxtips in YouTube for more guides in this regards. Thank you.